Tadan! My loves!
Look at that. See, I don't have rope.
Chicken Alfredo.
Hindi makasmile.
Hindi ba ka-smile?
Tignan mo na.
May chicken pa. May sarap ito. Ay, sorry. Okay, wow. Ang cute. Thank you. Wow.
House?
Is it what?
Does it look like house?
It's a French fries and chicken and pasta.
Yummy. Tignan mo.
Wow. Ayun yung truffle niya, oh. Hindi mo ba?
Masarap.
Eat na! Tikman natin kung masarap yung truffle. Sarap yun. Buhay na naman yung bulats natin dyan. May kumain ka na, there's pizza, oh. Kain ka na. That's too big. Try natin to. Oh, it's hot. Ano kasi to?
Chicken Alfredo.
Honest review.
Here.
No. Ayan. Garlic parmesan. Alex. Chicken. What do you like? Huh?
I want
Strawberry?
Hey, no.
Durug-durug na yan. Ang pangit mo at boxing.
Ginaganon-ganon to. Ginaganon-ganon.
Ito kasi yan, nito. Yan, okay. Wow! What's yours? Yee! Sa'yo? Favorite? Yummy? Grabe. Is it yum?
Do they have toilet?
You're eating when it's chocolate.
Dami mo talagang alam. Let's go.
In there.
Come.
No more steak.
Oh, what's that, oh?
Steak.
There, oh, let's go there. What's that?
What is the more
Hmm?
that tree go up?
Ano yun, camera?
Sticks in it.
That's what?
Let that one fall down and the sticks water.
Tara.
Go on.
You run with the
See?
Only stand here.
balloon na.
Mali, big time.
Faster, faster, faster!
Hello. Masara na. Alex, look, I can reach it. Here, I can reach this. See?
Chad is reaching it. Hello, police? You call the police, Alex. Police.
Why is Alex looking?
Alex, don't look. You cover your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Fine, Chad. Where are you, Chad? Where's Chad? Where's Chad? Where's Chad? Alex.
No, you did not touch me. No, you have to touch me. You have to touch me first. No, you did not touch me yet. You have to touch me first.
Run.
No, you have to touch Kuya so that he will be taya. Go for it.
I'm Daisy na.
You're lazy.
I'm Daisy.
You're Daisy?
Oh, touch me na.
I'll go touch.
Touch.
Touch. Go for it.
No, you did not touch me yet.
Pikon. You wanna hide? Okay, Chad, it's your
1, 2, 3, 4,
hide.
5,
Hide.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Touch mo daw siya.
Loser. It's my turn. Oh, you count 1 to 10.
You hold Chad and you not move.
But that's cheating.
Count 1 to 10 first.
1, 2,
Don't look, okay?
4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop, Chad.
You have to touch him. I already told you na nga where he is eh.
Touch Chad. You have to hold Chad. To stop Chad.
To play Alex, he's eating na.
You touch Chad. Touch Chad.
Touch!
No, not yet. Oh, touch me. Touch me na.
Hey, stop Chad.
Atano, touch ma. Chicken.
Stop Chad.
Touch na, touch Chad.
Hey, look. Hey, bang bang.
Sure, sure.
Look, is it a toy in it?
Yeah.
Let's check.
Hindi makatiis.
Wow! So good.